Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're jumping right into the world of artificial intelligence. We're going to break down how you can actually harness its power to build a career. And, just as important, how you can protect yourself from the very real digital dangers that come along with it.
Okay, let's really unpack this. What this is saying is that AI isn't just some new app or a cool gadget, it's being framed as the next massive wave of opportunity. On the same level as the internet boom or the smartphone revolution. The stakes are incredibly high, and the potential, well, it's enormous.
So, how do you actually get a piece of this action? Most people hear AI and their mind immediately goes to ChatGPT. But the real opportunity, the one that's quietly booming, lies in something called agentic agent.
To put it simply, this is the kind of AI that actually does things for you. It's not just chatting. It literally builds workflows to automate business processes, everything from sending emails to managing servers. And let me tell you, this is exactly where the demand is absolutely exploding right now.
Think about it. Every single business, whether it's a small local shop or a giant corporation, is going to be looking for people who can build these automated systems for them. This is the skill that you're going to want to learn. This is the new gold rush. And here's the best part. You don't need some fancy computer science degree to get started. Not at all. There's a really simple, actionable plan that just about anyone can follow. Check this out, a clear 90-day path. It's not about learning to code for hours on end. It's about understanding business problems and then using these cool drag-and-drop tools to build the solutions. You start by offering your skills for free. Why? To prove your value and get an amazing testimonial. From there, you're on your way to getting that first paying client. This is such a brilliant real-world example. You're not trying to build some crazy complex algorithm. You're solving a tangible, everyday problem that saves a business owner a ton of time and money. That is real value.
But, and this is a really big but, as we get excited about this opportunity, we have to be smart. We have to be aware of the other side of this digital coin, because our digital lives are absolutely full of risks.
So yeah, let's talk about the dangers. It's so crucial to understand what you're really up against in this digital world.
Okay, so these are the three big threats to have on your radar. You've got DDoS attacks. That's basically when hackers flood a server with so much traffic that it just crashes. Then there are data breaches, where your personal info gets stolen and leaked online. But ransomware? Oof. Ransomware is particularly nasty.
This analogy really brings the threat home, doesn't it? It's not just some abstract IT problem, it's a personal violation. It's like your digital life is being held hostage, and hackers can demand anything from thousands to millions of rupees to give it back.
And these threats have very real-world consequences. Just think about the Domino's breach in India. A massive data leak suddenly made customers' order histories and their physical locations public for anyone to see. That's incredibly personal stuff, and it just proves that no organization is completely safe.
So what can you actually do about all this? Well, the good news is that just having some basic awareness goes a very long way.
So here's your digital safety checklist. Number 1, and this is critical, never, ever open suspicious files from an email or WhatsApp. Just don't click. Number 2, stop sharing personal info everywhere. Hackers use that stuff to guess your passwords. 3, if you're building a business, security needs to be your first thought, not an afterthought. And finally, use what are called immutable backups. These are basically copies of your data that an attacker can't change or delete. Game changer.
This brings us to the final, and I think most important takeaway from all of this. It's really about combining that sense of opportunity with a healthy dose of awareness.
This is such powerful advice to end on. True, lasting success doesn't come from just capitalizing on the latest trend. It comes from finding problems that you are genuinely passionate about solving. That is how you build something that actually lasts.
So as we close out this explainer, the question for you isn't just about what you can do with AI. The real question is, what problem will you choose to solve? That's what really matters.